In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube videos. We'll use YouTube's official download feature so you can watch selected videos offline, safely and within YouTube's terms. This works in the YouTube mobile app and, in many regions, on the web for members with an active YouTube Premium plan. A quick heads up, not every video is downloadable, and offline copies stay inside YouTube. They aren't separate files you can move around. Start on the YouTube home screen. Find the video you want to save for offline viewing, either from your recommendations, a channel page, or search results. Make sure you're signed in to the account that has Premium, and, if possible, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. It also helps to check that you have enough free storage on your device, especially if you plan to save longer videos. Next, open the More Actions menu for that video. On the home feed or a channel grid, it's the three vertical dots beside the video title. If you're already on the video's watch page, you'll see a similar three-dot menu below the player. Click or tap it to reveal the options. Choose Download from the menu. If you're prompted to select a quality, pick the resolution that fits your needs. Higher quality looks better, but takes more space and time to save. The download will begin immediately. You can keep browsing while it finishes. You'll see a progress indicator, and the button will update when it's complete. Once the download is done, you're ready to watch offline. Open your downloads inside YouTube to find it. On mobile, go to Library, then Downloads. On the web, use the Downloads entry in the left navigation. When you play a downloaded video without an internet connection, it should start instantly, with no buffering. If you need to free up space later, remove the download from that same Downloads area. The video remains available to stream online whenever you're connected. A few useful notes before we wrap up. If the download option doesn't appear, the creator may have restricted offline viewing, your region might not support it yet, or your premium status may need to be refreshed by signing in again. Downloads may expire if your device hasn't connected to the internet for an extended period, so open YouTube periodically to refresh permissions. And remember, offline videos are tied to your account and device for personal viewing. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable for watching YouTube on the go, even with no signal.